Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, February the 6th. Time is 8:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, coming in from the weekend, not a lot of action going on. That's really to be expected. It's kind of just outside of Super Bowl, just nothing eventful for the weekend. So, and that doesn't have anything to do with the charts. So, all right, a lot of chop. We just got some down pressure coming in now. So we got some big prints coming right here at 53.72. I'm really thinking we're going to get back. We're probably going to test 53.40. This area right here, 53.62 to 53.40, is a institutional zone, and I really think it's going to come on down here to 53.40, even if it's just a quick blip of a candle. So markets is stochastic smack dab in the middle, and on the dollar it's below the overbought area also. So now I'm just need to see where these numbers play out at 72, 52. Let's see, 51 will put me at the threshold, and that is on Friday's value area low. So pretty much anywhere in this area is actually fair game, but I think we're actually going to play the extremes of this one here. So I'm quite sure we're going to test the 200-day moving average here on 53.59, and we'll see where we go from there. So let me go ahead and watch these, and I'll let you know if and when I get into a trade. All right, be back shortly. All right, guys, hopped along right here at 63. For 10 contracts. Looks pull half off at 73. Back up here. And stop is sitting at 53. Right in there. So we're going to give this one a shot. So this is the high volume node right here at 72. The 9 clusters right there at 63 happen to get filled on it. So, all right. We're going to work it, see where we end up at. All right, be back shortly. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled 9 or half off at 9 ticks. Stop sitting at break even right now at 63. So we get hung up right here, and I wasn't able to take this off. This is a high volume node, so it's gonna meet some resistance right here at 72, and it sure did. It did this quick blip up, but it wasn't able to hang there. So let's see if we get this push again. It's trying, but I'm thinking we're still going to come on down just a bit. But I got 9 ticks off. Stop sitting at break even at the moment, and we'll see where we go from there. All right, be back shortly. Okay, stopped out of that trade, and that was actually to be expected as well. So again, I'm still thinking we got a lot more down pressure coming down, possibly down here to 53.43, 53.40, and these are levels here, 53.53 and 53.40. All right, guys, I'm gonna watch for a bit, and I'll be back as soon as I'm able to get back into another trade, hopefully. All right, be back shortly. Okay, guys, long 10 contracts, 53.62. Look to pull half off at 72. Stop is sitting at 52 right now. So saw some absorption. The buyers are defending this level, and rightly so. But the bears are still really strong here as well. So just utilizing risk management as always, and we're going to see if we can get half off at this position here. So I think we're actually kind of in a somewhat channel at the moment. But see, we got 19 minutes left on this 30-minute bar here, so let's see if we can work this one. All right, be back shortly. Okay, I just closed this trade for scratch. A lot of absorption coming in. The bulls are trying to push it, but Bears is not letting this joker go up just yet. So since things aren't happening the way as expected, scratch the trade and wait, and kind of get some more confirmation here. So I think we're in a key level for the reversal. I prefer stochastics to be down here below oversold. So I think we're still going to push on down some more. So this is still a level that I like, 53.40. Somewhere between 53.51 and 53.40. So still expecting that push down from there. All right, be back shortly. Alright, got back long here at 66, 53.66. Let's see if we can pull half off at 76. So we broke past this node here off of, where's, let's see, we still got to get up to this one, but these immediate nodes, right? Hang on 1 second, I got a indicator open. Okay. Right here, okay, we got some aggressive buyers coming in here, and it's actually starting to work its way up. So broke past this node, still got to get past 72 here. So let's pull half off at 76, and if we get a hang up here, I'll go ahead and pull it off early wherever those ticks end up at. So all right, long 10 contracts 53.66, half off at 76, stop sitting at 56 right now. Be back in a minute. Okay, I went ahead and pulled half off at 72, which is 6 ticks, and I moved my stop to break even at 66 at the moment. So still having a difficult time pushing past this level. We got a lot more orders that came in right here at 73, so this may be an up break. We shall see. 60. Actually, I'm gonna move my stop to 60. 1 tick below this one here, so that's gonna be a 6 tick stop, and that'll kind of scratch this trade if it does get hit. But I'm liking the area. We're actually in a channel right now as well, so and that's kind of smack dab in the middle of this channel. Let me see here. 60. Okay, if we can push up to 76, and I'll go ahead and move to break even. Right now, I just want to give myself still just a little bit of wiggle room, because it's kind of bouncing back and forth in this channel. And let's see if we can actually start working this way north. All right, be back in a minute. All right, guys, so we're still in this crazy channel right now. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to 65 for a 1 tick stop, negative 1 stop. And we'll see if we're going to break up eventually. But I think it's safe to move it in this area at the moment. So the 8 moving average started to slope up now, and let's see if we're going to get a turn up at this point. All right, be back shortly. Okay, I'm going to set a limit, see if I can pull one off at 86, and then I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to break even as well as 66, and see if this is going to be the breakout. So the channel's been broken. Well, yep, okay, it just closed, so the channel's been broken, so we'll see if we continue north at this point here. Oh, let's see, high volume node here at 78, so hopefully it don't break back down through that, in that area there. So, okay guys, look to pull one off at 86, and stop sitting at break even. So 5 contracts long at 53.66. Be back shortly. All right, guys, stepped away for a bit. Let me get you caught up. I got one off here at 86 for 20 ticks. Just got stopped out. I left my stop sitting at break even at 66, so out of the trade at the moment. Going to be looking to get back in here. I want to see if we're going to test the 200-day moving average again, and see if we can pull the trigger at that point there. So, all right, actually kind of looking down, down in this area, so I think this cluster is still valid, but just want to watch for just a moment. So, all right, guys, I'll be back, and I'll let you know where I get in. All right, be back shortly. Well, I tell you, this chop has been something else. So, playing extremes again. Just got long right here at 63. 10 contracts. Stop is sitting at 58, just below this low right here. So a 5 tick stop. Look to pull half off at 73, and we'll see if we can work this one. All right, be back shortly. Whoa, did not see that coming. Just took a 5 tick stop on this one here out at 58. So let me get back to watching. We might actually be in the level that I needed. That is close. Okay, that's the one I've been looking for earlier while I was playing these scalps. So we got a high volume node building up at 55. So alright, I'm gonna set a limit at 40 and see if and I'll adjust on the fly there. Alright, be back shortly. Wow, that is a lot of down pressure coming in here. Okay, it actually broke through that eye zone, so that means sit this one on out until we can get. And there's a lot of volume coming in on both sides, which typically means a continuation anyway. So let me watch for a bit and we'll see if we can grab a reversal in here somewhere. Alright, be back shortly. Alright, the Bears is going to run this one. So looking probably around the 1 deviation line before we get a slowdown. So I think I might want to play with the Bears, but I need to get in a good field, so I'll see if we can catch some kind of a retracement. And what used to be support is now resistance, so somewhere in this area, 53.40, okay, 53.62. So the value area low here, that is going to act as resistance as well. This thing has a lot of momentum behind it though, so I'll probably look to catch a bounce off the 8 moving average if this slows down enough for it to catch up. But at the meantime, with analysis not being on the long end, I will wait to catch a retracement, and I'm going to sit on the sideline for the time being. All right, guys, I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, changing directions here from long to short. Short 10 contracts, 53.36. Look to pull half off at 26 right here. And stop is sitting at 46 right now. So, okay, we'll see if this analysis is correct. So with all the pressure here, we may channel for just a bit, but with the initial pressure of the Bears, I think it's going to continue on down until lunchtime, and we'll see from there. So 100 ticks from the top of this bar is sitting right there on the 1 deviation line at 52.86. So that's kind of our target goal at this point. So since I didn't catch the initial part, and we're halfway through the move of how CL normally works, getting around 100 ticks or so. So we'll see if we can scale on out around 50 ticks or so at 52.86. All right, be back in a bit. All right, guys, I'm going to scratch this trade and take it long. At the same time, getting a close up. It's having a hard time breaking down past the 5 deviation line. I was looking at some 800 prints right here, which is kind of bigger than normal. We got this anomaly right in this area, but this print here had a flush, had the trap set up behind it, had a retail flush, and not 30. It happened to 31. It ran on down to 19. That puts me within the 9 to 19 area. With this close back above that 8 moving average and having a difficult time staying 5 deviation working as support again. So I think we're going to try it again long at this point. So I am long 10 contracts, 53.35. Look to pull a half off of 45. Stop is sitting at 25 right now. So, and I might actually want to stretch that out to 22. That's not on my trading plan though. So, all right, we'll leave it at 25. All right, guys, I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, got half off there. 5 contracts long, 53.35. I'm gonna move my stop up to 32. So 3 tick stop, give a little bit of breathing room there, and see if we can work this trade here. So kind of a weird morning so far, but always utilizing risk management, so we're not down, and that's always good. All right, guys, I'll be back shortly. Okay, got stopped out there on at 32. So let me sit here and watch again. We got this pin bar doji on this one. So I'm thinking we're just probably going to channel again for a bit. And at that point, it could be some distribution getting ready to shoot this joker down again. But there's inconsistencies here, so I need to sit out on the sideline and kind of watch what happens. And I may just play this range if we can get on back down. Play the extreme ends of the range as well. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'll be back and we'll see if we get into another trade. All right, be back shortly. All right, guys, here's what I'm looking at with huge prints right here on this deviation line. This is 7 deviation. And we're in 1,000 prints, and it's not able to push down from that. A lot of orders came in on the ask, lifting the offer, and it seems to be holding up. So I'm going to get long here. Give me a second. Okay, long 10 contracts, 53.18. I'm going to set my stop at 12, 53.12, 53.11, 5 tick stop, and see if we can pull half off at 53.28 up here off the 8 moving average. All right, be back in just a minute. Okay, guys, it's 8 ticks up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull half off here, and I'm gonna move my stop on up to break even at this point. Okay, half off there. 18. Let's see, I'm in at 18. I'm gonna move my stop to 15, 3 tick stop right now. And if we can push up to 28 and close up there, then I'll go ahead and move my stop to break even. All right, be back in a minute. All right. It's trying. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even at this point, as volume is really falling off, so this joker's moving at a snail's pace, and just want to go ahead and secure that, what I've already had, and see if we can work this way on up here. All right, be back in a minute. All right, guys, stopped out on that one, and that is a wrap. It is 1 p.m. It is just after lunch in New York, and market's not doing really much anything else today. So a few snaps here and there, scalps. A few scalps here and there, so a few dollars on the day. Nothing nowhere near profit margin, but it's okay for Monday. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. All right, bye.